Hey everyone, welcome to Earthling Cooks. Today we're going to make a pretty awesome little meal. They're going to be, in the end, cheesy meat pies. So we're going to need some ingredients here. I have some minced onion and garlic, some salt and pepper, some red pepper, cilantro, and then I have a Meat Magic multi-seasoning there. We're going to need some cheeses. We have cream cheese and sharp cheddar. And then we need to make our dough pockets out of something. We're going to make them into little kind of muffins. And we're going to use the crescent dough sheet. You can also use the regular circular biscuits and smush them down to size. So I'm going to be making a ½ pound here, and with a ½ pound of meat, I'm using turkey. You can use ground beef, you can use basically any ground meat, ground chicken. But for a ½ pound, we're going to use 4 ounces of cream cheese, and then we'll throw in about probably 4 ounces of that cheddar. Let's go ahead and get stuff mixed up and going. Now we'll get everything seasoned up. So I cut up my 2 little jalapenos there. I grew these in my garden. They're super hot, but my wife likes hot things. You don't have to use as much, or you can take the seeds out if you want. So I'm going to throw in my jalapenos. I don't know if I need all of them. Throw in the majority of them. Then everything here, need about 1/4 to 1/8 of a teaspoon. Not a lot, but enough to season everything. So let's put a little bit in. I'm not measuring, I'm just kind of estimating. Some salt and pepper here. Then we have this Meat Magic. You could use any kind of overall like seasoned salt or something like that, and that'll work out the same. Crushed red peppers, because my wife again likes hot things. You don't have to add that. And a little bit of cilantro. Now what we're going to do is mix all this up, and I'll probably just mix it up with my hand honestly. And then we're going to go to the stove, put this in a pan, and get this all cooked up. The meat's done cooking, about ready to get it going. We're just going to throw in about probably 3 to 4 ounces of this cheese, which is about half this bag. And we can put our meat in. And get this all mixed up nice. Got it mixed up good. I'm actually just going to add, for a little extra flavor, just a little bit of chicken stock, just a little bit. Get that mixed in too. Now you can see I cut the dough into 4 squares, and I'm just gonna put some of the spray into 4 of the cups of a cupcake or muffin dish, and then put my dough into each one here. And now we fill them up. And now we just have to close these up. And as you can see, a ½ pound made about 4 of these perfectly. So that's, you know, if you want to make 4, use a ½ pound. You want to make 8, use a full pound. To close them up, just get all the wrappings wrapped up around. It's not going to look the prettiest right now, but that's okay. It's going to look good when it's done. Just kind of get them like this. And now we'll throw them in the oven at 350 for 15 minutes. This is what we get when they're done, and they should pop out pretty easy. Yeah. And there we go. I'll go ahead and cut one in half so we can take a look inside.